Hello everyone, my name is Dilpit and you are watching Dilpit Speaks. Today we are going to talk about a very controversial topic right now, that is privacy breach in India. Now imagine this. Anyone types your phone number into a simple website and in seconds they have your full name, your home address, your father's name, even your Aadhar or PAN number. Sounds like a nightmare? Well, that's the sad reality of India right now. In this video we'll cover this whole topic. Stay with me. So we were talking about the website called ProxyEarth.org. On December 1st, a bombshell report from India Today revealed that this platform that allows anyone to exactly do what I had just described. You enter any mobile number, specifically starting from the letters 6, 7, 8 or 9, and boom, all the sensitive personal data pops up. Your phone number, your Aadhar or PAN number, or any address or any other personal details. Now, when this news broke out, people understandably freaked out. And right so, but here's a crucial distinction. ProxyEarth is not likely the source of brand new data breach. Instead, cybersecurity experts says that the data was already in the dark websites, which was then collected by someone with a multiple order, massive data leaks that were floating around the dark web, some affecting hundreds of millions of Indians and creating an incredibly user friendly public search engine for it. So, while your data was already compromised years ago, it was scattered, hard to find, but ProxyEarth made it easier to find. They compiled all the data from all the dark websites and compiled into their website where it was easily accessible to anyone with just your phone number. Now, if you visited the site, you might have seen seemingly high-tech features, a map triangulating location, a live logo, even a network strength indicator. Scary, right? I'm also scared. But here's we can breathe a tiny little relief. India Today fact check, among others, confirmed that this was embellishment. The live location is often wrong. The network strength likely just indicate how much old data they have on, and these are the visual tricks to make site seem more powerful than it is. Another small silver lining, in many cases the data is outdated. You might find an old address, a previous mobile carrier. This indicates that data is largely comes from when the first bought a SIM. So if you moved or changed things since, some details might be current, but even the outdated information can be pieced together, so don't let your guard down entirely. So now, the whole situation begs the question, who is behind this? Who would create such a tool? India Today fact check went deep down and their investigation led them to a man identifying himself as Rakesh. So Rakesh, we can say, is the villain of this story, or the hero might be in his eyes, but let's find out what he does in her daily life. Now, this might be a real name or a fake name for the website, but this was the only name he was identifying himself. So now the question arises, how did they find them? So by digging into the website's source code, they found a link to a Telegram channel, which then led to another, which was Rakesh X Official. On this channel, Rakesh openly identifies as an editor and a programmer. The key breakthrough they found was a phone number connected to his accounts. They posed themselves as they would like to buy a bulk data from a leaked source. India Today spoke to Rakesh directly. This is where it gets chilling. Rakesh, who claims to be from Bihar, stated that he was doing nothing wrong. His defense is, he is not responsible for the original data breaches. He said, I'm not responsible. I gathered all the data from the dark websites and then compiled them into a new website. He's just compiling and merging existing leaks. He works with a team of 10 to 12 people, which is very concerning. And ProxyEarth is just one of their projects. They are doing a lot more. So everyone will now ask why Rakesh is doing so. So Rakesh told India Today that he is using ProxyEarth as a platform to attract traffic and advertise his other products. This includes hacks for pirating premium video editing apps, bulk messaging tools, and even links to pornographic webcams. He's leveraging the fear and curiosity around the data leaks to funnel the people into this other potential illicit services. So when India Today asked Rakesh that government will block his website, his answer was very shocking. He said that it won't be difficult to create a replica with a different domain name. This isn't just one of his projects. It's a systematic approach to monetizing leaked information. He's earning money from our data, our personal information, our home address, our phone number, our PAN card, our Aadhar card, or any other driving license details. It's very concerning. A report was published in 2023 which states that personal data of Indians, including Aadhar and passport details, for 81 crore Indian peoples being sold on dark website for just $80,000. Before that, around 75 crore Indian mobile users' data, names, numbers, addresses, family details was also reportedly up to sale. There's a long concerning history of data vulnerabilities of India, and ProxyEarth is just one of them. It's latest and more accessible. Okay, so now this thing is very serious, but we have to care for ourselves. Our government has to care for the Indian citizens, and they have to make sure that their data is not leaked, and if leaked, they should be not be sold on public platform. Recently, the news was published that Indian government has directed all the mobile companies, Apple, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, or any other smartphone company, that Sanchar Saathi app should be already downloaded in the phone. So the thing is, the expert says that if we download or if we upload all the data at one platform like Sanchar Saathi, it would be more easier for the hackers to invade all the personal data like photos, call logs, or even the live location. That would be very horrifying. So government should also listen to these things and also read the public sources that are newspapers and others that have published the recent ProxyEarth news. Even the government is also saying that they have blocked the ProxyEarth news, but the thing is, already the data is compromised. What will we do? So I can suggest you 2-3 points that you can keep in your mind that could even save your data more often, like change your passwords regularly. If your email is pawned, change passwords on all the crucial accounts like banking, emails, social media, government portals, and please enable two-factor authentication. That is very, very necessary. This is huge. Even if someone has passwords, 2FA means that they also need a code from their phone or their authenticator app. Turn it on or off, everything you can do on the authenticator. So this wasn't a tech story. It was all about our safety, finances, and our peace of mind. Stay informed, stay secure, share this video to warn others. We need to collectively push for stronger data protection. Thank you. Please leave your valuable comments in the comment section and see you in the next video. Thank you for joining. Take care.